Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about HTML field, how to implement it in our custom module for Odoo 19. Today, we will gonna study about how to edit more than one field in the list view. So, we already know that if we want to edit any of the records in the list view, we can simply add an attribute known as editable is equals to bottom or top as per your requirement. Simply I'll just show you quickly. Here I am in the view, list view. Here you can simply add editable is equals to bottom, restart the server, upgrade our module. It is we already covered in our previous lecture, so I'll just quickly show you. See, we can change it in the list view simply by adding the editable attribute. Now sometimes we may have need to edit more than one records at the same time. Let's say book number 4 and book number 6 have the same author name. So let's just I'll a simply two records I'll just create. Okay. So let's say these two books are been created by the same author. Now what if I want to add edit this field at once, or we can also consider as a mass edit. So we cannot do that until we add an attribute known as multi underscore edit. By default, it is set as false. Now, what we're gonna do is go to our view, list view, add an attribute multi underscore edit is equals to 1. What it will do, it will be make the multiple edit for the records as true. Currently, by default, it is set as 0, which means false. Simply, I'll just restart the server, go to the apps, upgrade our module. Now go to our library management module, and when I now select this two records, and let's say I will add the author name as author 1, and when I try to save it, it will ask for a confirmation that are you sure you want to update two records, because by editing this record you will update this value in all the records which are selected. So if you cancel it, nothing will happen, but if you author 1 try to save and update it, see, you can see both the records value have been changed. So by this you can do multiple edit at once in the list view. To quickly summarize today's topic, in order to do mass assignment or mass editing for the records, we can simply add an attribute in the list view known as multi underscore edit. Go to the list view, in the list tag add the attribute multi underscore edit is equals to 1. By default it is set as 0, which means false. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.